I think two things come to mind that are most prevalent is predictable, consistent turnaround time or cycle speed, dock to dock, predictable, right? Because more often than not, they're accountable for the calibration program to their internal customers, whether it's quality, production, R&D. So a predictable, consistent service is paramount. You can't live without it. The other is to have a world-class customer success team that's tied in with the customer's needs and wants every day, every week, every month, so that we can react and predict before a crisis comes that, hey, we can actually overcome this or that or support this or that, but we know what the demands are within that client's environment. So we have a really well-read playbook on how we can help them be successful. So predictable, consistent services, an advocate that we love to be, right? So world-class customer success, those two go hand in hand. You can't do without them.